The Goa government has launched an AI-powered digital assistant chatbot to make public service simpler and more accessible. The beta version was unveiled by Chief Minister Pramod Sawant along with IT Minister Rohan Khaunte. Integrated with the Goa online portal, the chatbot allows citizens to apply for services, track applications, download documents, and get assistance to simple chat anytime, anywhere. The government says the initiative will improve transparency, efficiency, and ease of living, with plans to expand it across departments after feedback from users.
गुड इव्हनिंग. चॅटबॉट लॉन्च या प्रोग्रामाक म्हज्या बरोबर आमचे आय टी मिनिस्टर मिस्टर रोहन खावटे, आय टी डायरेक्टर कबीर शिरगांवकर, जेएल सीओ रेवती अँड रेस्ट ऑल द आय टी डिपार्टमेंटा स्टाफ. सगळ्यात पयली इट इज एन डिजिटली वन स्टेप अहेड द चॅटबॉट लॉन्चिंग, AI चॅटबॉट लॉन्चिंग आज म्हणजे आय टी डिपार्टमेंटान केला. हांव कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट करता रोहन खावटे एंड एंटायर टीम. So as Rohan Khaunte has explained how it will help for the common people, common men in the state of the Goa. At present, actually, आमच्यो online services on the Goa online platform, more than 150 services. ताज्या खातीर आमकां डायरेक्टली कनेक्टिविटी विथ द people ही खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात मदत जातली. म्हाका दिसता जस्ट आतां सांगलां ते प्रमाणे दे कॅन गिव द फर्दर सजेशन्स ऑल्सो, सो दॅट तातूंतल्यान मोठ्या प्रमाणात तांच्या बरोबर कनेक्टिविटी करता आसतना आमकां खूप मदत जातली. AI चॅटबॉट हातूंतल्यान फास्टर सर्विसीस दिवपा खातीर आनी लोकांक डायरेक्टली विदाउट एनी इंटरफियरन्स दे कॅन डील वीथ द डिपार्टमेंट. सो होय बी प्रोसेस म्हाका दिसता आमकां खूब इजी आनी प्रोसेस फास्ट करपा खातीर मदत जातली. अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ द ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीजी दिल्लीत ऑलरेडी AI चॅटबॉट आनी डिजिटल हाजेर सेमिनार ऑलरेडी चालू आसा. ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीजी हे सातत्यात म्हणजे डिजिटली आणि इनोव्हेशन्स या टॅक्नॉलॉजी हातूंतल्यान म्हणजे पीपल सेंट्रीक गव्हर्नन्स जावचें हाज्या खातीर सातत्यात प्रयत्नरत आसता. आमी गोंय सरकार हो एक स्टेप फुडें हो ताज्या पेक्षा सदोदीत काम करीत आसा. विथ द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ द ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीजी म्हाका दिसता वी हॅव लॉन्च द AI चॅटबॉट वीच वील हेल्प द फ्युचर फॉर द स्पेशली फॉर द गोवा सेंट्रीक वेरियस स्किम्स किंवा वेरियस प्रोग्राम्स हे लोकां मदीं पावोवपा खातीर आमकां बरें जातलें. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया द फर्दर वील डू अजुनूय डिजिटल कनेक्टिविटी करपा खातीर आमकां हाजो खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात मदत जातली. हांव समेस्त गोंयकारांक आव्हान करता की AI चॅटबॉट हो तांच्यांनी यूज करचो. तांची सजेशन्स कितें आसा हे आमकां सातत्यात दिवची आनी मोर एंड मोर सजेशन्स ताजेर आमच्या आय टी डिपार्टमेंटाक आनिकूय इम्प्रूव करपा खातीर मदत जातली. वन्स अगेन आय एम कॉंग्रॅच्युलेटिंग माय एंटायर आय टी टीम under the leadership of the Rohan Khaunte. They are doing better and better every day. The digitally the way forward for the every government for the good governance they are doing for them. And once again, my best wishes and congratulations for them. Thank you.
आज आमी गोवाज डिजिटल असिस्टंट AI चॅटबॉट हाजे उक्तावण करपाक हांगा मेळिल्ले आसा. आमचे बरोबर आमचे फॉर द इनॉग्रल सेरेमनी वी हॅव आवर चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत, डिरेक्टर ऑफ IT मिस्टर कबीर शिरगांवकर, जेलाची CEO मिस्टर रेवती कुमार, बाकी सगळे गव्हर्मेंटाचे ऑफिशियल्स, उपस्थित भावांनी भयणीनो. I think first and foremost, Goa Online and e-governance has been one of the steps which we have taken in the past. All services available on the system under Goa Online. As we are going ahead with one more decisive step as far as the governance goes and the digital governance of Goa goes. This initial rollout of the digital assistant chatbot is designed to simplify access to government services and enhance citizen engagement across departments. Through digital governance and the Goa Online portal, we have successfully reduced the need of physical visits to government offices. मनशाक परत गव्हर्मेंटाच्या हातून वचचें पडटालें. ती इंटरफेस तयार जाल्ल्याक ही डीड नॉट गो टू द गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स. ही कॅन सीट एट होम अँड टेक सर्विस एनीवेअर वेर ही कॅन अवेल दीज सर्विसेस सिटिंग एट हिज होम और वेर एवर. तातून आजपर्यंत I can proudly say this government along with Dr. Pramod Sawant has delivered roughly about 21 lakh services which have been processed through Goa Online, making it a national benchmark for citizen-centric and transparent governance. As under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, the Department of IT, Electronics and Communication in collaboration with Goa Electronics have deployed and developed this AI-based chatbot as part of our continued efforts to strengthen infrastructure, skilling, connectivity and e-governance. AI chatbot amka ata coming the launch of this will give us significant advantage by automating routine इंट्रॅक्शन्स वर्कलोड जो आसा तो खूब कमी जातलो आनी डिपार्टमेंटल स्टाफ तांचो आउटपूट बाकी कडेन आमकां वाडोवंक मेळटलो. तशेंच वी वील बी एबल टू एन्श्योर रावंड द क्लॉक अवेलेबिलिटी. This will definitely give us a very consistent and accurate response based on predefined rules and data, minimizing human error and variation in information. I would like to highlight that the chatbot is being used right now is in beta phase. Like any AI-based system, it is continuously learning and improving, and there may be occasional inaccuracies in responses. We encourage citizens to note this and share their feedback, which will help strengthen and redefine this system further. Currently integrated with the Goa online portal, this chatbot will be gradually expanded to all government departments. As Goa Online Services is catering to roughly about 27 departments, giving more than 150 services. As they all gradually we will get on this particular chatbot in a phased manner, ensuring a smooth, reliable, and scalable rollout in coming phases. I encourage all Goans and everyone to explore the digital assistant chatbot and share your feedback so we can improve service delivery. Together, let us work towards making Goa a model state for efficient, inclusive, and citizen-centric digital governance. Thank you. देव बरें करूं.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.